my honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I have a honey mail. Okay, one of my honeys. Make sure this is from him. Well, I'm going to see what it is first. It told me to expect something in my post office mailbox on Monday. That was yesterday. So I didn't feel well enough to go. So I picked it up today. Is this it? Yeah. It's from Larry and Toby. Oh. And it says a gift for you. Hi, MzBrazell. Enjoy your gift from Larry and grandson Toby. Thank you, Larry and Toby. I appreciate it. And this is what they sent. Rotary cheese grater. Okay, let's see. Let's get in it. So, the only kind of grater I was used to was that big metal thing with the handles and you scrape your knuckles. Okay, now. How you open this thing? Oh, this way. Do not accept if seal is broken. Peel this tape off. And peel this side off. I'm gonna have to go get something. There you go. Okay. Oh, want to receive free products from Love Kitchen? Well, they telling me how I can get free stuff. So if it's free, it's for me. Most of the time. Okay. What is it? Okay, it's a stainless steel grater. Let me take it apart. Cheese grater. It also grates chocolate and nuts. And I saw somebody grating carrots. So I have to read the instructions to see how to put this together, but wait a minute. Oh, open that. Oh, I know. Okay, this is the cheese grater, I guess. And it has, okay, you can take these out some kind of way. I ain't trying to cut my hand. Whoa. Okay. Here's another size grater. Put that in there, and it's a little slot where you're supposed to click it closed. Take that out, and then here's another one. So I don't know what kind of grating this is going to do. I'll read the instructions and I will find out. Snap it closed. Put the stuff I'm going to grate in here. And then turn the wheel. So y'all going to see me grating some stuff. From Love Kitchen. You see that? Okay, thank you, Larry and Toby. Okay, I may want to keep this one in here for right now till I find out what to grate. Okay, the whole thing is stainless steel, y'all. I really like that about it. Okay, wish somebody would come up with a big stainless steel air fryer, and I'd be all over it. But I want to thank you, Larry and Toby, for sending me this gift. Thank you very much. It's nice. Okay. I want to thank you all for watching. Leave me a nice comment, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a blessed day. And I noticed on the package that he put my mailing address plus the word box. If y'all send me something, don't put box on there. Because UPS and folks like that, they don't like to send nothing to a post office mailbox. So that's why I used the address of my post office. And then I just put number, the number sign, and then my actual post office box number. But don't put the word box. But I'm glad it got to me. So thank you very much. And you got this from Amazon. Okay. So y'all have a blessed day. Bye.